this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set an alarm clock on your Motorola phone. So let's just swipe up and then type in clock for search for apps. And then here's the clock right here. So on the bottom you can see alarm, world clock, timer, stopwatch, bedtime. We can just go to alarm, go to a new timer, and then we can set this, and then just set the other time here too. Go to OK. You can see I just had 4:17 on there, and we can change this around. But just make sure it's AM or PM. Otherwise you're going to be waking up at the wrong time. So a lot of times I like to set it and then turn it off and on. And you can see this one's set for 19 hours from now. So I know this is 4:17 AM. Unless you got military time on there. So you can change this around. You got vibrate sound. Just make sure under sounds you have the ringer turned up enough, otherwise you're not going to hear it. So go to sound and vibration, and then go to the alarm volume right here and make sure this is turned up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.